Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to use BV StripeCRM Connector. Go to your module loader, choose your file, load, install. And once you have installed it, you will have to put your license key that you got from the store and validate. Once you have validated, then go back again to your admin panel and go and quick repair and rebuild. This will make sure that the proper installation is done and there is no issue. Now, if I go to my admin panel, I can see BV Stripe payment. I'll go to Stripe secret. I'll have to enter my Stripe's secret key and webhook secret key. For that, go to your dashboard.stripe.com, dashboard, developers account, and API keys. Copy your secret key and paste it here. Now next we'll have to create a webhook secret key and paste it. Go to your developers, webhook, and as of now on our platform, we are just supporting 3 webhooks that are checkout session completed, checkout session expired, and payment link URL, payment link updated. I'll just remove my previous ones. Add your destination. Now, just search the events. You can easily find them in the document. Now here we can see I have selected 3 events. Webhook endpoint. I'll have to paste my URL. So you just have to paste your site URL /index.php. Sorry. Test. Create destination. And now just copy, paste, and save. I have integrated my Stripe with the CRM. Now, to use it, you just have to integrate it with the modules that you want. So here, as of now, in the Invoices module, when you go inside it, you can create an invoice. Stripe. If there's any quotation number, the invoice number will be automatically generated. Quote date, due date. You can enter the details as per the invoice that you're creating. And quote number can be also integrated with your quote module. Due date. As of now, the status is empty since there is no payment. And you can select the currency in which you want to create the invoice, $100, and save. Here I can see that all the details have been created. Invoice number is 73. I have my total payment due for 100 and remaining amount is also 100. This you can see from the overview. Now, to create a link, We have this facility that you can create link for the entire amount, or you can also implement partial payments or partial uh, invoices. Suppose if I give 30, I'll have to enter the description. The QR code has been successfully generated. Here in this, I have received a payment URL. QR code is there, currency, $30 amount due, and I can activate and deactivate the link. We'll navigate to the link. Here I can see, I can enter details. For deactivate facility, we'll just walk through. Once the link is deactivated, the status is updated. And if I go back again and refresh the link, it says the link is no longer active. To reactivate it, I just have to click on activate. And if I go back, I'll pay the amount. The Stripe checkout page can be customized as per the requirement and the business. I'll just refresh. So here it says paid, and also we have a notification that the amount has been paid for 73 invoice $30. Now the deactivate link is also deactivated. We cannot further create. If I try to create further links, it will say that the remaining amount is 70. From that only I can create. Using Stripe, one can easily create invoices, generate links, send them via email. So the entire QR code links can also be sent via email, can be downloaded as invoices. And this is highly customizable and made and tailored as per your business requirement. See, we have two links. I can further pay and clear this invoice. And this is how you can send. You can even print it as PDF. The email invoice. There's a predefined template, and this can be further customized and created. And the email templates can be edited from email template and PDF template modules. You can edit this particular email invoice template, PDF, and email template can also be further customized. And on successful payment completion, there will be an email generated to the user that your payment is successfully done. So this was everything. Thanks for watching.